You're wondering, well, what to do? I don't want to put wildflowers in, but what else could I add to bring in some pollinators and get some interest? Some ideas that you can use for small spaces that you may have in your garden. This area is shaded by some trees. There's an original structure to the back of it. So it's a historic area here in Jasper, Georgia. They have what many of us would call a planter area, and it looks like they just lined bricks on one side, and then they had the wall over on this side and add some dirt, compost, and wood chips on top. They're growing oregano, which also likes sun, and it's part of the project called Edible Jasper. What a great idea. They have kale, and while many people might pick the kale, it looks like here it's available for different insects to eat. They've interspersed kale and oregano along here. And down here towards the sunnier area, they planted some Arugula, edible, nice bloom, visited by bees and other pollinators. There's one that showed up. This looks like some chives. More oregano. There is the pollinator hard at work. On the corners, facing the full sun, they planted rosemary. Several bushes planted along that border, and it gets afternoon sun. Added some sunflowers, and they have gone to seed. The rosemary is thriving and is a perennial, so it will come back. Sometimes the oregano is a perennial. It just depends on the conditions. This border idea continues. They planted chamomile, chives, strawberries, and the strawberries are enjoying the full sun, and they have them planted along the way. You can see there are even some berries that are thriving. Because we've been getting rain, the plants are really doing well. This lacy plant, which is beautiful, is yarrow, and it can grow either yellow or white or other colors. Another strawberry, more yarrow, and at the very end, more strawberry. So they've alternated yarrow, strawberries, and chives. Here's another simple idea. If you have a container or small strip or area edging, this is sage. It's edible. Isn't it beautiful? It just looks lovely here, planted in the corner of this retaining wall, and they've made it into a planter. And of course, put soil and wood chips in it. But look how beautiful that sage looks. What a great example of what you can do with edible plants. These are herbs. They just love full sun, and they're thriving here in a busy intersection here in Zone 8A. Here's a yarrow plant that is over in the corner. There are a couple of them planted here. And here's more sage in the corner. This is what we were looking at on the other side. Going to go enjoy the breeze and the shade here. This marvelous corner on a busy street. So I hope you got some ideas for your garden and for your yard. It's not too late. I'm always saying this. It's not too late to be planting You'll probably need to go and buy some plants that have already been started. Maybe they're in 4-inch pots or something. Put them in the ground. If you don't have a garden, use a pot and create a kitchen garden for yourself or just a garden that you enjoy. You can use several pots. I'd recommend 3 using the design principle of odd numbers. And you can mix and match. You can have one pot with the chives or the chives and the oregano. You could add a fern to it. You can have early spring blooming flowers like dianthus, snapdragons. You can have pansies, riots of colors. Use black-eyed Susans, salvias. You can add marigolds, and they're big pollinator attractors. I'd love to hear your experience, so leave me a comment below. And if you've not subscribed, please subscribe, Gardener. And I'll see you again soon.